Today we are going to give our hallway a little character with a board and batten design. This was a quick, easy, and cheap project that we knocked out over the weekend. If you have a wall or hallway in your house that needs a little updating, I would highly suggest looking into this method because it came in at under $100 and the process is pretty simple. For the cost savings, I cut 3-inch strips of 1/4-inch underlayment. You can use thicker material, but we really like how this turned out. I did have to join 2 pieces of underlayment to get my proper length for the wall. All I did was cut them at 45-degree angles and they fit together perfectly, and you can't even see the seam on the finished product. The first skim coat you see me do on the walls, I didn't thin the mud. And here I am showing you the second coat in which I did thin the mud. And when I say thin the mud, all I'm doing is adding water to it. And here in a second I'll have to mix a second batch, and I'll show you the amount of water I used to thin it out. I thought it wouldn't matter that much if it wasn't thinned, but it did make it much harder to spread on the walls. Once I started using the thin mud, I immediately saw and felt the benefits. Long story short, if you need to skim coat, thin your mud. And if I haven't said it yet, I really dislike texture walls, and this process just compounds those feelings.